everybody, it's Jasmine, and today I'm bringing you part 2 to my Contact 101 video. You guys have asked me a lot of questions, which I have answered, but I've noticed that within the past year and a half, you guys have asked me the same questions that people have already asked like 5-6 times, and so I thought that bringing you guys this video would help you guys out, and it would kind of give you guys some answers to your questions. So I'm going to start off with glasses because I think that's very important. Also, wait, before glasses, I'm not an optometrist. I shouldn't have to make that disclaimer, but some of you guys in the comments think I know everything about contacts and glasses. I don't. I'm just a normal teenager. I'm not a teenager anymore. I'm 20. I just had a moment. I had a real life moment. Oh my gosh. All right. Anyway, I shouldn't have to make that disclaimer, but you know, better to say it now than not say it at all. So here I'm going to talk about glasses. Now in that first video, you guys seem to either love or hate my glasses. Now, whoever you come across, don't judge the person with their glasses, because in my story, these were all I could afford. And so I'm glad that I got a new prescription. I'm glad I was able to afford new glasses. I'm glad I was able to afford new contacts. And so here I'm just gonna hold up my old glasses. I will try them on for you guys, but I have my contacts in, so I'm not gonna like really open my eyes because I don't want to mess up my vision. But here are the glasses that I used to own. Cute. Yes, yeah. The glasses that I own now with my current prescription I got online, which was very tricky. I got them on firmoo.com, and I thought I would just get them because they were on sale. So I got 2 pairs for $60 with my prescription included, which was pretty much a great steal. That was cheaper than my 1 pair from Costco. And so this one is my first pair. Yes, I don't really like these ones because the nose bridge is really high, but I mean, they work because I just wear them at home. And then the second pair that I have is this one. These ones are broken now, unfortunately, but I'll just try them on for you. I'm thinking about getting another pair. And by the way, these ones, the material, it's like a plasticky metal. It's not like a hard metal that can like stay in place, but it's doable, you know, if you're not picky about quality, I guess I should say. These ones aren't the best quality, but they're definitely not the worst. So this is what these ones look like. I'm trying to hold them up as even as I can. These ones are really cute. I want to get another pair because these ones are just, I don't want to get into it. We're just going to leave it up. It's broken. I'm just gonna go ahead and read some random questions off my video. Now it says, for colored circle lenses, before putting them on, would you rub them lightly with a solution to clean it or put it on, or is it just fine to just take them out directly out of the caps, like the original caps? Personally, I just take them out of the like little packets and I'll pop them in my eyes. However, I do say that in part 1 that if your circle lenses come in those glass bottles, those like little glass containers, that's when you soak it overnight. I don't know why that is. I've just been told you're supposed to soak it. But as for the ones where you just rip out of the little packet, you could just put those directly in your eyes. You don't have to go in with solution at all. What happens if you leave the lenses in the case with the solution for over a day? Now, I think online it says you're not supposed to leave it in the solution for over 2 weeks or something like that. But my advice is to just keep an eye on it. You know, what is your best judgment? Like, should you refill the contact case with solution? Should you dump it out, put new solution in? You don't have to throw away your contacts. You know, kind of just keep it in check. Make sure that the solution isn't being evaporated. Make sure it's not any lower than the line that's on the case. Things of that nature. A lot of people ask me, how often do I change the solution in the case? Change as often as you would like, but obviously keep it on check. Those makeup lovers out there have been asking me, what do I do if I get makeup on my contact? Now, obviously, when I do my tutorials, I wear my contacts first just because I can't see. But if I ever get like eyeliner on my contact, you know, I'll just go to the bathroom, get my contact solution, and then rub the makeup off. It will cleanse itself and, you know, everything will be all good. Just pop back on your contact, you're good to go. How long do contact lenses last? Plus, do we get the special case of lenses with the lenses, or do we have to buy it separately? Also, where do you get it from? Okay, now normally when you get packages of contact solution like this, they usually come with a little contact case. As you can see, it's on the little picture here. You can see one here. There's a little contact case here. It usually comes with the big packs like this. You can also buy contact cases from the dollar store. Now, how long do the contact lenses last? Now, there are a variety of contact lenses that vary from daily contacts, weekly contacts, bi-weekly contacts, monthly contacts, yearly contacts. The most normal ones that I can think of are either daily or bi-weekly, meaning that you change it out every 2 weeks. I usually go for bi-weekly or monthly. And that's normally because you don't want to continue to put the bacteria-filled contacts into your eye again. Like, no matter how much you clean it, it's just good to, you know, dispose of it after some time, because it's just like risking an eye infection, a bacterial infection, you know? Do you buy your circle lenses from other sites? I believe that Pinky Paradise doesn't ship to the US anymore. Now, in the first video I told you guys I buy my contacts off Pinky Paradise. I no longer buy from them because I heard that they're starting to scam people. I started to buy my contacts from Honey Color because they have brands that are trusted by my optometrist, like Fresh Look and AccuView Oasis. Like, they have those so that those are easily accessible to us, and those ones are the ones that I am prescribed by my optometrist, so that's a good note too. How often should you change the contact case? Now, I usually like to keep it, you know, 1 case per contact solution bottle. So after I finish this one, I'll just go into another contact case, and that just makes sure that I'm not recycling bacteria again. A lot of you guys asked me, should you keep your contacts in your contact case with no solution? No! No! The answer is no. Your contacts will literally shrivel up and dry. You will have no contacts to wear without the solution. This is your saving grace. This will keep it moist. This will keep it wet. It will keep it moisturized. And if you ever run out of contact solution, you better run to the drugstore. You better run over there, get you some contact solution, and make sure you have it, or else you might as well just throw away your contacts, honey. You might as well just do that. How many hours should you keep your contacts in a day? That is honestly a very personal question. Normally, my optometrist recommends no longer than 8 hours, but I personally can keep my contacts in my eyes from morning all the way to night. I have no issues with it, but I mean, if your eyes naturally get dry, you might want to invest in some contact eye drops. Now, there is a difference between contact eye drops and regular eye drops, because regular eye drops will dry out your contacts, and no matter how moisturizing it is, trust me, they will dry it out and it will make it very uncomfortable for you. So the one that I get, these ones are from Costco. These ones are the Refresh Tears Lubricant Eye Drops. And so this one will pretty much rehydrate your contacts while they are still in your eyes, so you can proceed throughout the day. And I just wanted to say that this isn't the only brand that carries the contact eye drops. There are plenty from like the Up and Up brand by Target, the Great Value brand by Walmart. They're just cheaper alternatives. So if you can't afford this for some reason, there are cheaper alternatives that will give you the same benefits just at a more affordable price. Surprisingly, a lot of people had a lot of questions about the hydrogen peroxide solution. Now, a lot of people ask me, how often do you use a hydrogen peroxide solution? Can I use it once or twice a week or every day? And so I'm just gonna hold up this one right here. Okay. So this is the Clear Care Hydrogen Peroxide Solution, and this one is for deep cleaning, loosens dirt, and enhanced protein removal. I personally use this every time I take out my contacts because I feel like this does the best job of removing excess protein, excess bacteria from my contact, and so then when I put my contacts back in the next day, they feel like new. And these ones come with this case right here. So if you want to use this one day and then you want to switch to a normal saline solution the next, by all means do it. I mean, it's not gonna hurt you. This one is just more of that deep clean, which is what I personally prefer. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and talk about the different contact solutions that I own in my house. So I'm gonna start out with the most basic. the most basic contact solution. This is the Optifree Pure Moist All Day Comfort. This is very standard. This is very similar to BioTrue, which is normally what optometrists usually give you when you get contacts. So this one basically is your everyday contact solution. It is advanced cleaning and disinfecting. It reconditions and retains the moisture, and then it's comforting from morning until night. And so I have it in this brand new packaging. And if you're ever curious on a specific contact solution, just research it, Google it. You know, I personally only know what I own. And if you have any questions about any other kind of brands and anything like that, go into a CVS, a Target, anything like that. Pick up a box, read it, see what it does. Will it benefit you? Are you going to like it? You know, things of that nature. So basically with this contact solution, it is not a self-cleaning contact solution, meaning that it won't clean itself overnight like the hydrogen peroxide one will do. So this one is the one where you would have to hold your contacts in your hand and then spread the solution and then clean it with your finger. It's more of like that manual type of contact solution. This is good. It's very standard, like I said. But if you are lazy, Optifree does have another one that I personally really like. It's the Replenish one, and this one will clean your contacts for you. The standard time you should be leaving your contacts in the solution is usually 6 hours. Overnight, if you will, if you're me. And this one, the Replenish one, is a little bit different from the Pure Moist. Like I said, this one is a self-cleaning one. So you can literally pop this into your contact case as so, and then take out your contacts and put it directly in the case without having to rub it at all. This one is perfect for lazy girls out there, lazy girls, lazy boys, whatever you is. And this one is just really good. They normally, these boxes that have a pack of 2, they normally range from like $15 to $20 depending if it's on sale or not. And then, like I said, my favorite is the Clear Care Hydrogen Peroxide Solution. This one is the best. I talk a lot about it in the part 1 as well. You just want to make sure you don't put it in your eye before 6 hours because it's active. It's very active and it will burn. But this one is great. It will deep clean. You don't have to rub it in the solution before you use this one. You could just pour it into the contact case, pop your contacts in, and everything will be good to go. I also have an Unready with me where I also show you guys how I take out my contacts, how I put it in the contact case. And before I end this video, I also wanted to mention the importance of just dumping out the solution every morning. So before you put in the contacts in your eyes, make it a habit to pour out the excess solution that's in the contact case, because you don't want to reuse the solution. Again, you don't want to reuse the solution that is bacteria-filled solution that is in the contact that you want to get rid of, rinse out, and then start fresh. And that is why wearing contacts is almost like a hassle, if you will, because you're more prone to bacterial infections in your eye. You know, sometimes your contact can rip in your eye, leading to like a ripped sclera, which I mean not a ripped, excuse me, a scratch sclera, which is very scary. And so to avoid that, you just want to take extra precautions. You know, just the importance of eye care is just very important. And they even say on the packages here, it says discard any remaining solution in your lens after disinfection, never reuse solution. So please read the box, please educate yourselves, and use Google if you have to, okay? Use Google. Google is an amazing source filled with a lot of questions and answers for you guys. And so I hope you guys found this video very helpful. And if you're wondering about my makeup, I'll have it down below. Everything will be down below. So again, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Peace out, Girl Scouts.